Okay, so let's move to the next question. Discuss the role of sediment transport and deposition in shaping channel morphology and its implications for maintaining navigable waters. So sediment transport plays vital role in shaping the channel morphology. This forms the basis of channel study for the construction of waterways. Here you could have added Leopold and Madoc, okay, who have worked in this part of channel morphology. So channel morphology is the study of channel attributes and the cross-sectional area through which it flows. Okay, so written in good part. Channel length and bed topography, channel attributes, channel pattern, hydraulic geometry, they are forming the basis or part of channel morphology. So this is well crafted. So role of sediment transport and deposition in channel morphology. So sediment transport causes erosion and movement of particles along the rivers. Sediment deposition leads to the removal of sediments along the bed of the river. Okay. Now, role in channel morphology. Role of sediment transport is important for it ascertains the resilience of a channel bed. Alluvial channel easily eroded by sediments. Role of sediment deposition. Bedrock channel will have straight sinus pattern. Very good. While deposition of sediments in alluvial channel causes meandering. Very good. Okay, so this is one of the excellent points. Sediment rise and transport may cause the river to flow laminar or turbulent. Okay, this is also good. Sediment movement causing widening of channel. Okay. Okay. Implication on maintaining navigable waterways. So channel if alluvial will have siltation due to sediments. Channel of alluvial will have siltation due to sediments. Okay. Solution requires dredging of the waterway as seen in National Waterway 1 Allahabad to Haldia to keep navigable channel. Okay. Okay, so this we are working for the maintenance of draft. Okay, bedrock channel is hard to erode by sediment, therefore requires water in it at all times for navigation. Okay. Southern waterways to be kept at minimum level water by local reservoir. Okay. More turbulent flow leads to more channel sediments. Okay. Solution course correction of alluvial bed rivers so as to avoid the issue of avulsion and anabranching. Very good. National Waterway to Dhubri to Satya. Okay. This is very good example. Then navigable waterways can prove to be game changer by connecting landlocked states to ports via channel connection. So this is a good conclusion. Now coming back to the question part here. Okay, so if we will look at here, when we are talking about the sediment transport and deposition, so here you would have taken one aspect here from the youth, mature, and old stage. Okay, under the youth part, what we'll be seeing that the sediment, this is low. Under mature, the sediment, it increases. And in the old part, the sediment deposition, it is very high. Okay, so this is one part here. Second thing, but what we'll be seeing that the sediment transport is good here. Transport is, we can say it is deposition and erosion. It is almost equated. And here there is no erosion and it is complete deposition. So here it is just erosion, no deposition. Deposition equated to erosion and just deposition here. Okay. Then we will see channel morphology part. So this diagram, if we see here the sediment part here. So
order kar na.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
yeah, okay. So here we'll be seeing that the slope aspect
Mm.
is also important for the sediment transport. Okay, then the channel width. This is also important. For example, we have provided here channel pattern, channel attributes. Okay, we can open these dimensions a bit here. Okay, with respect to the channel width, if the width is greater, so there will be good transportation, okay, of sediments. If we have the slope, so under the slope part, the deposition will be less and the erosion will be quite more there. Okay,
Mm.
and we have written here, if there is a bedrock channel, then there is a sinus, there will be straight channel there. Okay, so we have provided this aspect here. Okay, so this is a we can say good answer. We can just add the aspect of river, where which is basically important to understand that how the sediment transport and deposition is taking place. Okay, so we can explain this with this particular diagram. This diagram we can add up here. Okay, this is basically the channel length. So this is also good answer. Okay, I can see that this is for how much marks it is. This is for 15 minutes. Okay, here you will get 8 out of 50. Now, global
Yes,
warming led changes. Yeah,
you're getting the use. We're talking about the use which old day of the river and not of slope.
actually your voice is breaking. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Am I audible?
yeah, you're audible now.
So, sir, when we are so we are writing the youth, mature, and old age. So we are not
Hmm.
referring to the slopes youth, mature, and old age. We are referring to the channels youth, mature, and old age.
Yeah, channels, youth, mature, and old age.
Okay,
Okay,
there's this one
so
down.
that will be different from the Davis part because Davis he has just included
Mm-hmm.
that aspect here. Okay, but in the
Yes.
channel morphology also we have the channels, youth,
Youth,
mature,
mature, and old age.
old age. Okay,
Mm.
so we can add
Okay.
this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so shall we move to next question?